Semino from the Department of Linguistics and English Language at the University of Lancaster. And I'm talking to you on the first day of a lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic that has been described in England as a circuit breaker. Not far from where I live, in Wales, they have a firebreak lockdown against the pandemic. In Germany, they're having what has been described by Angela Merkel, a Wellenbrecher, translated into English as a waves breaker, a water break against a second wave of the coronavirus. And this is all part around the world of a war, a battle, a fight against the virus. So the pandemic and many different aspects of it, including what we're doing about it, are being talked about metaphorically. But what are the metaphors that are being used? Is the virus a fire, an enemy, a wave, or how many other things can it be? And does it matter what metaphors are being chosen, especially for public health messaging that are so important at the moment? These are some of the questions that I'll be addressing in a talk, a webinar that I am giving on the 18th of November. If you're interested in studying linguistics or English language at Lancaster or anywhere else, it would be great to have you in the audience.